Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to cancel a Strava run. First, it's important to understand that you cannot technically cancel a run once it has already started, but you can stop or delete it depending on the situation. So the first thing that you need to do is open the Strava and go to the run. If you are still recording your run, just go ahead and open the recording screen in Strava and then tap on the pause icon just like so, and it will stop the activity. Then just go ahead and tap on finish to end the recording. And as you can see, I have not moved from my place, so I'm not able to finish it. But if you have, just go ahead and click on finish and then choose discard activity instead of saving it. This will completely remove the run before it gets uploaded to your profile. If you have already saved the run, just go ahead and go to You and go to Activities and select your run. And now just go ahead and click on the three dot at the top right and click on Delete Activity and choose to delete and confirm your choice to permanently remove the run from Strava. So that's it. We just learned how to cancel a Strava run by discarding it before saving or deleting it after it has been recorded. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.